Everyone, welcome to DTH Decoding the Hindu. So it is day 5 in the series of important questions for UPSC Prelims 2023 and other PCS examinations. If you are preparing for any government exam where current affairs are used to be asked, then this video is for you. I would suggest that please do attempt the questions because at last in the examination hall you have to attempt questions only, and the more you will practice, the more easily you will be able to crack any exam. So consider yourself prepared only if you are able to answer all the questions correctly. So let's get started. First question is, consider the following statements about natural gas. First, it primarily consists of methane and propane. Second, natural gas is odorless and have a yellowish color. Third, Russia is world's largest producer of natural gas. Which of the following statements is are correct? A 1 only, B 3 only, C 1 and 2, D 1, 2 and 3. Pause the video for a minute and think about the answer, and at last tell your score in the comment section. So let me discuss the answer of this question. First statement is saying that natural gas consists of primarily methane and propane, which is correct because natural gas consists mainly of methane and propane only. Second statement is saying that natural gas is odorless and have a yellowish color. So natural gas is obviously odorless, but it is also colorless. It does not have a yellowish color. So second statement will be wrong. Third statement is saying that Russia is world's largest producer of natural gas, which is again a wrong statement because US is the world's largest producer of natural gas. Russia is second in terms of largest producing of natural gas. So you have to search out on which position India is in the world in producing natural gas. So our answer will be A 1 only. I hope you understand the question well. Moving to the next question. Next question is related to Shapari scheme. It was very much in news, so it will be important for UPSC prelims this year. What is this question saying? Consider the following statements about Shapari scheme. First, Ministry of Fisheries has developed a certification scheme for aquaculture products called Shapari. Second, Shapari is based on the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization's technical guidelines on aquaculture certification. Which of the following statements is are correct? A 1 only, B 2 only, C 1 and 2, D neither 1 nor 2. So first statement is saying that Ministry of Fisheries has developed a certification scheme for aquaculture products. So this scheme is not uh, launched by Ministry of Fisheries. It is launched by MPEDA, MPEDA, Marine Products Export Development Authority. So first statement is wrong. Second statement is correct as this scheme is based on United Nations FAO's technical guidelines on aquaculture certification. So the answer will be B 2 only. I hope you understand the question well. Moving to the next question. Nikshay Poshan Yojana is related to providing financial assistance to. See, this is also a very important question, although I hope you all must be knowing the answer of this question. And the answer of this question is 3 TB patients, which was very much in news because the government has launched this yojana to provide financial assistance to TB patients. So I hope you answer all the questions correctly. Write down your score in the comment section. Check your progress by solving more and more questions. The so thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please do subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Press the bell icon as well so that you will get notified whenever I will come with the new video. Thank you so much for watching.